is Priya. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech in BVC ITS in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineer in the CGP of 8. Before joining 10x, I was the fresher. So in the 2020 due to COVID, I just not go anywhere. In the after I joined the 10x, so I have to learn some of the software technology. So I'm looking forward to take the training in the 10x Academy. In the 10x Academy, I learn the front end and back end technologies. Mostly it is come in the full stack. By seeing I'm searching more website where to join, when to join. So I get the placed in the 10x. Most interesting thing is after the placement. Because my family background is too low, we can't bear before paying. So that was most interesting, and 1 month sections and 100% practice. The things are different from the others than the 10x. So I decided to join in 10x. I play first I don't know how to code. In the lecturer classes they helped me. In the solution section, the mentor will be available in each and single line. We have doubt, we have to convey the doubt with the mentor. Mentor will give the response immediately, where we struck, where we if you want mentor section also, they will provide. They will teach from the scratch. One-on-one mentor section is very helpful because where we struck, where we have any doubt, we have to ask. The mentor will also provide some questions. He will give. We have to answer them. After the 1-1 section, he will give the feedback. Based on the feedback, we can improve our performance also. Here, the mock interview plays a key role because in the mock interview is not a mock interview, it is the real interview, because they will ask each and everything. What original interview is the process the same as a mock interview. In the my life mock interview is the key process. They asked about everything, coding, DSA, and technical software, front and back end, everything, every minute. In the mock interview, the mentors will help you. Where you are struck, you don't worry, we can help you, like that they will say. They will teach every point. After mock interview, they will give feedback. Where you drop, we can improve that point. In the assessments, they will give assessments, we can do that assessment. Solution sections with mentors. That is the main, because solution sections in practice, the mentor support is huge. It is very important to us because we are in the non-technical students, so we don't know how to start. Also, they will help me a lot. So I'm thankful to all the mentors. Before 10x, I don't know what is my future. After 10x, I have complete focus what I was really interested, what I'm seeing, what my approach. I'm very thankful to 10x.